to share with you how to make a simple fruit salad, doesn't break the bank, and is so delicious and nourishing for your fasting season. Welcome to a new video. How are you doing? Now, this is the season where a lot of people are going into fasting for religious and also for health purposes. If you're one of those people fasting, this is a video that I know would really be beneficial to you, because a lot of times people struggle with what they eat, getting the right vegetables and fruit to eat before they break their fast or when they break their fast. And people in my household at this point in time are fasting, and this is what I share and encourage you all to do if you're fasting. So we got a variety of fruits here: grapes, you can use whatever grapes, some pears, a mango, apple, pineapple, and a couple of lemons, watermelon, and grapefruit, and pomegranate. So these are the only fruits I'm using today. You could use some berries. I try not to buy strawberries when they're not in season because they're so expensive if they're not organic. And I try to avoid non-organic fruits when I can. When you're washing your fruits and they're not organic, this is a simple thing you could do. Pop them into a bowl, okay? And then we're gonna add some sodium bicarb. I'm just gonna add some sodium bicarbonate in here. This is the easiest way to get rid of pesticides buildup on your fruits and vegetables. So sodium bicarb is easy, it's affordable. So I'm just going to put this in water and let it soak for half an hour, and then we'll come back to recording. Pineapples, I buy them and I let them sit for about 5 days, and then it's ripe and sweet for us to eat. Because when you buy them in the shops in the UK, they're hardly ripe. So we're just going to peel the pineapples. Now, how do you know a good watermelon? That one is a $1 million question. Thankfully, this one is good, and thankfully we have seeded watermelons. So I try not to buy seedless watermelons if I can afford to. And then Galia melons, soaked for about half an hour. Just give them a good rinse. You could use a peeler for your mangoes. That way you're getting less flesh out. Or you could use a knife, but a peeler is easiest. The prep time is not too bad, but then you can have this fruit for a few days once you've prepped it. Just store them in airtight jars, that's all. So prep it once every 3 days if you're doing a fast, and you're good to go. We've got everything we need ready for our salad. So we just start layering it, okay? This is entirely optional, whichever one you want. I'm starting with the melons. I'm just gonna make them into smallish to medium-sized cubes. So if you have people with sensitivities to things like pineapples, just skip them. And today I think we have someone in the house that has sensitivity to that, so I'm gonna make them a separate special bowl. So that's why we're gonna have them different categories, really. And so we're making for the person that is sensitive to pineapples. I'm just gonna do that. If you have little ones, just cut it really small so it's not choking hazard for them. Prep it for the family. If you're struggling with smoothies, just use fruit salads, and people would enjoy this, before a meal or after a meal. It's actually best before, so that we don't fill up on the wrong stuff. So that's the reason I encourage before. And then the next, we'll have some watermelon. Oh, look at that. Juicy watermelon. Now the seeds of watermelon are good, but I'm just gonna take some of it off here, just because I don't want too many seeds in this. Okay, now some beautiful grapes. Oh la la. You can cut your grapes or you can just plunk them in whole. Doesn't matter. Thank you guys for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, has it added value to you? Has it reminded you to go make fruit salad and how easy this thing is to make? It's taking me half an hour and we can have this for 2 days in my home. Just make sure you have a nice sealed lid to ensure you don't have this thing getting moldy in the fridge, and you can have it for 2 to 3 days. Anyway, thank you once again. If you haven't yet, kindly subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and also turn on the notifications so you know when next I post a new video. Until next time, see you in another video and stay healthy. Bye.